morning people, welcome to the vlog and welcome back to the channel. How are you guys? And it's 6:45 to be exact, and we are out towards Maldevta. It's a beautiful place and I'm just going there to enjoy the vibe, get some content, and I'm facing the best winters one could possibly imagine, you know. So now you are witnessing sunrise in Dehradun, and we did a legendary thing. We woke up before the sun. हमारे पापा लोग करते हैं ऐसा, एंड मैं तो नहीं करता था. आप लोग होंगे बहुत ज़्यादा सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड. मैं तो अभी हुआ हूँ आजकल इसी दिन, एंड आई थिंक आई एम गेटिंग कैरिड अवे विद इमोशनल फीलिंग्स राइट नाउ. आई एम गोइंग टू क्राई. It's so good. And yes, talking about the day, it's a beautiful one. It's a beautiful morning. So the main idea was to get up before the sun, take some cool photos during the sunrise, observe Dehradun and chill out. I think we are halfway there already. As I was talking about the day, it's a beautiful day, and date, that's something which is a formality that's no one gonna remember. No one's going to remember a date, you know. And time, talking about time, it's something that is slipping out of everyone's hand, and they are sad because they are getting old. And so whatever time is left, we should enjoy it. So the thing is, I don't do such philosophical talks in the morning, but I thought it's the right time to tell you something extremely important, so that you don't get mystified with your own personality, you know, and you can also come up with a prudent approach whenever you are in trouble. So the thing is, you should document yourself. Now by documenting yourself, I mean clarity, you know. When you document yourself, when you come in front of the camera, then the story is entirely different. You are telling a different story. You are guiding yourself, and you are trying to be as confident as you can be. So I opened this channel for more than one reason. I want to be more confident, more out there, because before that I was just behind it, directing or assisting, or you know, maybe sometime recording or making YouTube videos. So this is a totally different and legendary feeling. You are the hero of your own story, and you are even recording it, you know. So this is a good place. I'll show you. We'll go out. आप कहाँ तक आ गए? You know, you are like this and now you are like this. So that recording, that transition is very important. So I used to document it in various ways. Like I used to take photos, I used to take videos, and in past few months I just used to take photos to speak my emotions out loud. So camera is such an important invention in a way. It's so selfless. It's nothing but life happening in front of you, and you recording the moment, observing it. No lies, just pure documentation. It will help you to grow as a person, you know, and that is what I feel is the most important thing in this earth right now. If you want to be more courageous, and if you want to face yourself without any problems, then you need to record yourself. Documentation of your life is must. देहरादून बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. अगर आप लोग को आना है and आप लोग को stay करना है, so please come here. It's near to the airport also. Maldevta is near to the airport. You can go out for a hike, क्योंकि यहाँ पे mountains में ही hiking होती है, trekking होती है. So there is that resort that you can come and stay at. It's called Aranya Retreat Homestay, and there is a cafe right here. It is also beautiful. I'll come here sometime. It's called Cafe Sparrow. I saw this quote somewhere, maybe it was a movie quote, that the biggest war this generation has ever fought was not in the war zone or in the field, but it's inside them, you know. So all that emotional shit going inside you is not easy. So there are a few things that I want to sum up with this vlog, that stay with nature, stay with yourself, feel connected, and also just start recording yourself. I know it's not that easy.